Spitting on or detesting sinners doesn't make you holy or sinless. If you are truly holy, you will seek out sinners and help them find holiness. Jesus never sent us to spit on sinners or treat them like lepers. Instead, he called us to win them to Christ through the preaching of the gospel. This is because the love of God is for the whole world. Psalms number 107 verse 2, reading with the New Living Translation. Has the Lord redeemed you? Then speak out. To speak out means to preach. If your godliness isn't producing more godly people, you are as guilty as the ungodly. Let's do the will of God in our generation, starting in our neighborhoods. According to the Message Bible, all of you set free by God. Tell the world. Let's preach Jesus. That's why we are here.